Hare Krishna. Hi everyone, welcome.
In this video, we are going to implement a Java program to find the sum of odd and even numbers in an array. Let's take an example of array 5, 4, 6, 3. The even numbers are 4 plus 6. The sum of even number is 10. The odd numbers are 5 plus 3. The sum of odd numbers is 8. Now we practically implement this program using Java. Let's add a main method. We need three variables for this program. The variable number of data type int to store the actual numbers, which we retrieve from array using a for loop. Even sum will store the sum of even numbers. Odd sum will store the sum of odd numbers. Let's initialize and declare array int array, and we initialize with the values 9, 4, 6 to 8. To find sum and odd numbers in an array, we need a for loop. To retrieve each and elements from an array, add a for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than array.length I plus plus. So to check whether the given number from an array is it even or odd, we need a if statement. We'll add a if statement here. If array of 5 modulo 2 is equal to 0, that means it's an even number. If number modulo 2, if the remainder is 0, it's an even number. We need to add it to the even sum. Sum even is equal to sum even plus array of I. Else it's an odd number. Let's add it to the odd sum. Sum odd is equal to sum odd plus array of I. Finally, we print the sum of even and odd numbers to the output using system.out.println. Let's run the program. Sum of even numbers is 20, sum of odd numbers is 9. Let's debug the program so that we can understand the entire program in a better way. You can see that the control of the program reached the if statement inside the for loop. Initially, I is having the value 0, array is having 4 elements starting from index 0. The number at index 0 is 5. 5 modulo 2 is equal to 0. No, the condition is not satisfied. We enter into the else condition. Initially, odd sum is having the value 0. And 5 will be added to the odd sum. Odd sum will be having the value 5. I is incremented by 1. Value at index 1 is 4. 4 modulo 2 is 0. As condition satisfied, we add that number to the even sum. Even sum is having the value 4 now. Now I is incremented by 1 again. I is having the value 2. The number at index 2 is 6. 6 modulo 2 is equal to 0. Yes, condition is satisfied. We enter inside the if statement. We add 6 to the even sum. Initial value of even sum is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 will be stored into the even sum. Now I is incremented by 1 again. I is having the value 3. The number at index 3 is 3. 3 modulo 2 is equal to 0. Condition is not satisfied. Now we enter into the else. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 will be stored into the odd sum. Now I is incremented by 1 again. I is having the value 4. 4 less than array.length. The condition is not satisfied. For loop is terminated. We print the sum of even numbers and the sum of odd numbers to the output. The sum of even numbers is 10. The sum of odd numbers are 8.
Thanks for watching.